A force is needed to transfer or change energy in an object. When a force causes an object to move, work is done. This does not just mean effort in the everyday sense. In physics, work has a specific meaning. It happens when a force acts on an object and causes it to move through a distance. The greater the force applied, or the greater the distance over which it acts, the more work is done. Imagine pushing a trolley across the playground. If only a small push is used, the trolley may move a short distance and only a small amount of work is done. If a stronger push is applied, or if the trolley is pushed for a longer distance, more work is done. This extra work transfers more energy to the trolley. Forces can change an object's kinetic energy by changing its speed, or its potential energy by changing its position. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. When an object moves faster, its kinetic energy increases. When a student kicks a football, the force from the foot makes the ball speed up, so its kinetic energy increases. A skateboard rolling down a slope also gains kinetic energy as it moves faster. In both cases, a force has caused a change in motion and transferred energy to the object. Potential energy is stored energy. A common form is gravitational potential energy, which depends on height. When an object is lifted higher above the ground, its gravitational potential energy increases. Lifting a school bag onto a table requires an upward force. That force does work on the bag and increases its gravitational potential energy because the bag is now in a higher position. If the bag later falls, that stored energy can change into kinetic energy as it speeds up on the way down. The relationship between force and energy explains how objects move and how energy is transferred in everyday situations. Pushing, pulling, lifting, throwing, and stopping all involve forces doing work and changing energy. Forces are not just about movement on their own. They are closely linked to how energy is transferred, stored, and changed from one form to another.